Well, I really want you to start to reframe your mind around what actually sales means. So instead of always be closing, I always say always be curious. And the most curious person usually makes the most sales. And also, think about that you're serving, you're not selling. Like, no one is winning if you stay hidden. All right. No one is winning. And I want people to win. I want you to win to boost your business and your sales and hit your next revenue goal. And I want your clients to win so that they can see results, transformations, and beautiful things happening in their business. Okay, so then I want you to ask yourself, like, let's just get real, right? Do you really want this? You have to really want to grow your business to step into your uncomfortable zone. And for a lot of people, that uncomfortable zone is selling, right? But this is the thing. And you can ask anyone who's been working with me in the Sales Success Lab or any of my private clients that when you work with me, you never fear sales again, and you actually embrace it as something fun and that doesn't feel salesy, icky, or anything. But the thing is, you have to want it. So if you want it, I want you to drop in the comment section right now, want it, right? And I have this picture here, not of coincidence, of someone working out, because sales is very similar to fitness in the sense that you have to keep working those muscles to see the results, to see the long lasting effect in your business and your life. And if you're into fitness, in your body, right? So it's a very similar thing. And so when you reframe your mind that way, working on your sales every day becomes a lot more exciting.